All right, friends, back by popular demand. I'm doing the cold plunge. Last time we did it, Bitcoin was at around 28,000. Now it's hovering between 34 and 35. I'm not going to say that it was because of my cold plunge, but, my 233 subscribers are tough as nails. So, yeah, I'm going to do this periodically just to give you all an update, because on this channel we truly embrace the cold bear market. So let's dive in and let's get to some news. All right, as we can see, it is currently 34 degrees, so it's not quite frozen, but yeah, that is going to be cold. All right, concentrate, Mikhail, concentrate. This is definitely colder than last time, even though I brought ice. But let's get to the current market conditions. So right now there's a little bit of uncertainty in the U.S. markets, probably because of the interest rates. One thing's for sure, there are famous investors that are calling out the Fed, the federal government, about their spending. So spending continues to be a very, very big problem. And whether it's because of this spending that is leading to inflation, or the issue with the war in the Middle East, one thing's for sure is that we're seeing that Bitcoin is decoupling from the market. And, it's becoming a safe haven. So this is something that is truly unique. And there's still some bad news out there, of course. I saw something this morning about North Korean hackers targeting blockchain engineers with malware. But not all countries are trying to make a negative difference. If we're just talking from a pure blockchain perspective, some good news is that Turkey is trying to get off of the FATF blacklist, and I should say gray list. And they're wanting to do that by creating a crypto legislation, which makes sense because they host a lot of conferences in Web3. As somebody that works in the industry and talks to a lot of industry folks, there's a lot of activity there, and rightfully so, because they also have a very bad inflation problem. Meanwhile, from a regulatory perspective, there's a lot of clarity that is happening, because you have the U.S. custody asset firm BitGo that just acquired its license in Germany. So, and that's something that's really different about this time around, that more companies in Web3 are being proactive from a regulatory perspective. Even the NFT project Backpack on Solana, they're launching an exchange, and it's supposed to be fully regulated. Geez, I'm at a point where I'm shaking now. Solana right now is having a conference called Breakpoint, and there's a lot of great news coming from there. Just yesterday, Solana announced a partnership with Amazon. That's going to be huge. And they're also coming out with an API to help game developers. So their NFT community is strong, only second behind Ethereum. That likely is going to increase because they're attracting more game developers to come on. All right, the camera's shaking because I'm shaking. This has been like 3 minutes in here. Guys, let me know your thoughts on these videos. Do you like embracing this crypto bear market? Do you want to see more updates like these? Definitely don't try this cold plunge at home if you have any issues with your heart. So no financial advice on this channel, and definitely no medical advice. So do your research, but there's something so amazing about when you come out and you're so cold to the point where you feel warmth as the blood rises to the surface of your body. And it creates this momentum of energy, very similar to what we're experiencing right now in crypto. even though it's a bear market, there's a lot of momentum happening. It's brewing, and I can't wait to see what's next. All right, guys, please like, subscribe, comment, share with your friends that need to embrace the bear markets, the cold, bone-chilling bear markets. There's good stuff in it, a lot of good stuff. All right, guys, till next time.